How to create a group email in Gmail. So if you want to create a group email in Gmail, then what you need to do is just go with your browser and go with the upper right, which has that Google Apps, and go with the contacts option. Once you're under contacts, you'll have all of your contacts. So you just need to simply select the names of the people from your contact list. Once you've selected, now you just need to simply go with the labels option, which is right here, and then create a label. So for example, I'll be choosing a label, which is demo, and then go with save. Once you've created the label, you just need to simply click on the label and you'll have edit option or manage option. You can simply go with manage. Now, once you've created, you just need to simply go with your label and then go with label contacts, and it will give you the procedure on how you can label your contacts. So you just need to simply go with contacts and select the person that you've added and go with the label, which is on the upper right. You'll have manage labels, and then go with the label which you've just created and then go with apply, and that's it. The group has been created. You can simply go with your label and you will see all of the persons in that group. So that's how you can create a group email in Gmail, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.